your girl, it's Gifted K, and I'm back here with another video. This video is kind of different. I'm going to be showing y'all how I install a wig. Yes, and it's going to be glueless, okay? Glueless. I only do glueless only because I don't know, I love my edges and I only have a little bit of edges, and I don't want my edges to be taken off with glue, you know, with the bowl hold or whatever. So I'm going to show y'all how I do my wig glueless, but it's gonna be glueless, okay? So y'all let me know about how y'all feel. You can like, comment, and subscribe if you like it, okay? But in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I slayed this wig. But you know, it was kind of rushed. Like, this is not the typical way that hairstylists do it. I did it my way because the hairstylists, you know, they be taking their time. This time I take my time, but I still was looking cute though, and that's on period. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I install my wig or whatever. So y'all stay tuned and y'all let me know how y'all feel about this video, and that's on period. So let's get into it.
Fuck her.
Ooh.
Yo. Who's gonna love you but you?
Don't mind her, but my hair is very sloppy. I already did some braids, but we're just gonna, you know, split our hair and make a part. Ooh, it's hard. I don't know what's everybody's problem today. They just hating on me. But we're going to still do this video, okay? So we're going to get our rubber band, period. And we're just going to put our hair up so it can get out of our way. So boom, get your comb it, you know, comb it a little bit here and there. Continue. Hold up. Is her eyes closed? Go back. Reverse. Now we're going to comb our hair. All right, gonna keep combing it or whatever, detangle it. Boom, braid it. Don't mind my braiding skills, guys. It's a very sloppy, but hey, you know, we'll get there one day. So you're gonna keep doing this.
Oh my God!
She can't braid. Oh my God, Becky, that is a total embarrassment. We are off to the next side, guys. We're just going to be doing the same thing, okay? Comb, tangle, then braid. All right, just continue to do the same thing, guys. And yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
Ooh, Chile. This hair is getting on my nerves. But note to self, you also want to try to braid in small sections because you don't want your wig looking bumpy or whatever. So braid in small sections.
My hair is nappy.
Candle on the drink.
Nappy. Did y'all see that?
Candle on the drink.
Purchase your tracks today.
lay the hair. Okay, you want to lay your wig. You want it to look, you know, natural or whatever. So you want to use mousse. I wouldn't use Got2b on the real actual hair because it's going to give it like, you know, too much of a hard look. So yeah, you just want your mousse to, you know, just direct your hair or whatever. So yeah.
Attached. Bitches don't know what we looking at. We could be roasting their ass or checking out their daddy.
Press. Cut it down, need no press. Let me stop. But we're gonna press our hair down. Okay, press that wig down to your scalp. Make it look natural. Okay? And put some mousse on it. Put that mousse. We always gonna need mousse. So keep it right by your side. And that's on period.
All the time because I was in a rush. Okay, I was trying to go to a party. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, I was trying to go to a party, guys. So I was, you know, I was rushing. But hey, y'all follow this method. I got this wig from this girl. I would not recommend you to get it. I will not recommend you to get the wig because it's thin. Like it looks good sometimes when I want to look good. But it's not good all the time, okay? But yeah, I would not recommend to get this hair, but I did slay the wig though, and that's on period, and I was in a rush. So y'all, let me know. And guess what? Guess what you need to do? You need to like this video, comment, and subscribe, okay? So yeah, guys, back to this video. Period.